Hi, Bashar.
And to you, good day.
Joel the Apprentice here.
Oh, you're not so old.
And, oh boy, I've been feeling old lately.
Oh, all right.
But-
Wait till you get to be my age.
Oh, wait.
All right. Though I do not feel old, you know that.
I know that.
Yes?
Next month will be 1 year since I saw you last. And
You haven't seen me yet, but I understand what you mean.
Since I experienced you, since you gave me some very helpful information, I want to thank you for that. It's been,
You are welcome for your mantra.
yeah, thank you. And I thought when that went away that life would be easy, but it didn't turn out that way. And,
Of course not.
And I want to talk to you about that after I share something. I had
All
a
right.
really great experience in the dream state a couple weeks ago.
Yes.
Actually, last week, I ran into a parallel me that stemmed from my marriage.
Yes.
And this me was still married to my husband.
Yes.
And this was a conscious experience. It was very cool. I ended up going to her reality, and I was observing her, and she became aware of me in my reality.
Yes.
And I observed her going back to my husband, telling my husband that there was this place.
Yes.
She didn't know how to say parallel reality.
Yes.
But she said, there's this place where you and I aren't together in the future.
Yes.
Aren't together.
Yes.
And she was shocked.
Yes.
And she walked up to him, and she kissed him, this passionate kiss. And he looked at her like, why are you doing that? And
Yes.
she said, because I haven't done that in such a long time.
All right.
And I realized that her getting in touch with my reality where we aren't together gave her so much more appreciation.
This is one way that you can use parallel reality experiences, yes.
Yeah, it was
and by telling
powerful.
this story, you have probably caused no end of confusion to this parallel reality person over here.
It was very poignant. It showed me literally how parallel realities affect one another, even if we don't know what's happening. She might not be conscious
Correct.
of that.
Correct.
You know?
Correct.
Yeah, so that was cool.
Many of the things that occur in what you deem to be your day-to-day reality are intimately tied to parallel reality experiences within the whole. That's why it can be all things at once, because what you consider to be your unique life is, and at the same time is made up of, all the other experiences. It's not just one or the other. And so thank you.
Yeah.
And so then, the other thing?
The other thing